Brownie, come here. Bless. Mag-bless ka sa. Come here, magmano ka. Show respect. Hey, you are bastos. You are bastos. You're disrespecting me. I am not disrespecting you. You are the one that disrespecting me. You didn't give me delicious one. Brownie, you are becoming ugly. I am not ugly, it's you. No, it's you the ugliest. Oh, here's come your mother, ugly duckling. Oh, to sing. You want attention too? What happened to your skin? Why there is so many ano tektura mo? Nasambridan ka man eh. Ay, nasambridan sa dato eh. What's happening to your skin? Why there's so many What are those? What happened to you? What are those things in you? Ano nakita eh? Ano nangyari sa'yo? May ganyan yan? Bakit may ganyan yung balat mo? What's happening to you? That's how. I don't know. You're sickening and posh. Baka may allergy ka sa fish. Anong nangyayari? Kunay, where have you been? Bakit ka ba yanan? You are ugly duckling. Oh my gosh, you're destroying my properties. Ano ba yan? Bakit ka naglalandi? Hindi pwedeng malandi dito. Ako lang ang cute. Huwag ka naglalandi. Uwi ka na, uwi. Hello, what's happening to you? Oh my gosh. Ito yung reason mo bakit ka naglalandi kasi. Anong ba yan ay? Nasambridan kan sa nga ka sa tituan. Brownie, no pods now, no pods. Matulog na ako, bukas na ulit ang maglalandi-landi, okay? Lo, ba't mo ginaganyan ang mama mo? Hindi pwede yan, ganyan. Nagawat sa'yo.